Hello everyone, let's get cooking. In today's recipe, I will be showing you how to make peanut butter soup, an African dish that you can enjoy with white rice. Let's get started. Here I have 3 medium-sized onion and scotch bonnet pepper, or you can use habanero pepper. It was already chopped. Next, I'm going to add my chicken, which was already washed with salt and vinegar. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onions and my scotch bonnet pepper, or you can use habanero pepper. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add my Knorr seasoning. If you don't have Knorr seasoning, you can simply use salt. Give it a little mix. I'm going to season cook this for like 5 minutes. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 lemon or lime. Give it a good mix like I said. Next, I'm going to cover the pot and let it season cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and blend my pimento pepper, which I purchased from my local grocery store. I'm going to blend it until it turns into a puree, like so. Now I came back after 5 minutes, check on the chicken. It's doing its thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my bay leaves for aroma. And I'm going to go ahead and pour in my blended pimento pepper. This part is optional. If you cannot find pimento pepper, you can opt this part out. Cover the pot and let it continue on season cook. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add some boiling water, which I usually do when I'm cooking. I usually boil my water before I cook. It's not like I don't have good water in my area. I do. I just like to boil water before I cook. You do whatever pleases you. As long as you follow the recipe, you should be good to go. Next, I'm going to add my can of tomato paste. I'm going to give it a good mix. Give it 5 minutes. Cover the pot and give it 5 minutes. Come back and check on it. After 5 minutes later, I'm going to add more seasoning. Adjust the spice to your own liking. If you don't have Knorr seasoning or any all-purpose seasoning of any kind, you can simply use salt. Now I'm going to use my Jif creamy peanut butter. Make sure the peanut butter is creamy. All right. I'm going to add 8 tablespoons of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. Depending on the size you're making, I'm making a lot, of course. After adding the peanut butter, you want to make sure you give it a good mix. While you're mixing it, the peanut butter will be dissolved. Now you want to cook this on a low-medium heat. All right. You want to come back and check on it. Cook it for 5 minutes. Come back and check on it. Make sure it's not sticking from the bottom of the pot. I went ahead and covered the pot again, came back and checked on it, and this is how it's looking like. Isn't that beautiful already? This peanut butter soup was so delicious. It's packed with protein. It's packed with a lot of nutrients. You all know peanut butter is protein, of course, right? So this dish is very, very nutritious. That oil that you see in there, it's an indication that your peanut butter soup is almost ready. If you don't see that oil, that means your peanut butter soup is not ready yet. The oil will indicate that the peanut butter soup is ready. I went ahead and add some lime or lemon. This is optional as well. You can squeeze the lime there, or you can wait till you're eating it. You can eat it with lime. You can add more lime. That's up to you. You don't have to add lime. I just want to add lime into mine, or lemon. All right. As you can see, that oil, it's very good oil. It's not a bad oil for you at all, because all that oil came from the peanut butter itself and the chicken. So it's not a bad oil. Like I said again, this peanut butter was so delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Meanwhile, I had my rice, was cooking the same time I was cooking my peanut butter. I'm going to dish out my plate because I was starving. I was hungry, 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 hungry. Yes. Now, I hope you guys will try this recipe. Follow me for more. You see that oil there? It's not a bad oil at all. It's not like those oil that, like, I didn't add any oil at all. So that oil there, it's a very good oil because it's a natural oil that came from the peanut butter and the chicken. Very nutritious, and it's packed with protein. It's one meal that you will eat and you will not feel guilty at all. Now, I want you guys to follow me, like this video, share it, and engage. Engage, and I will engage back. All right, this delicious peanut butter soup was so yummy, and I added some lime, and like I said, you don't have to add lime. I'll see you all on my next upload. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.